Okay, so now we're going to go create a Google Doc. So you just need to go to your Google Drive, and if you already know how to do this, just go ahead and do one, and if there's new things you learn along the way, that's cool. Let's see, we'll just put it in EdTech Conferences. We're going to create. So you find your Google Drive, get there, and in the left you hit the new button. We're going to just create a new Google Doc, just the basics. Okay. You always kind of want to title it first. You can't do a whole lot without it being titled. Looking at a Google Doc. It's quite meta. Okay. And it's really a good idea to get in the habit of always going to publish that, because that way whenever you share it, it's much more easily shareable and it generally looks a little better. I've heard that there can be some snafus if you don't publish it to the web. So under File, Publish to the Web, you can then publish it. Okay, yes, you want to publish it. Now, just remember that this doesn't mean anybody can find it and look at it. So I know some people get a little bit apprehensive about that. I want to also show you the other piece of publishing. So you'll notice when we do File, Publish, it gives you a link. Of course, that's the link you can email and share or put on your website. The other piece that's really useful is the embed part. Has anyone embedded a Google Doc in somewhere? Okay, and that just makes it show up within a website or wherever you're putting it, which is really nice. So I can either just copy and paste the link or click embed and copy and I will paste later this embed code. And when we go to work on the website, I will show you how to embed this whole document so it shows up on the site. Okay, for now I don't need to do anything else with this, so I'm going to close that. And then the sharing settings, and a lot of people forget to change the sharing settings, myself included sometimes. You want to click that and determine who you want to share it with. So if you click Get a Shareable Link, okay, it automatically shows that with that link, your document is now going to be viewable if someone has that link, and you can change that so that anyone with the link can edit your document if you want to work collaboratively. And of course, when you're creating these for students, very often you want the whole thing editable by either the group or anyone. Or people maybe can just comment or they can view. A lot of times when I make documents that I want the students to then work off of, I just make it as can view, and I give them the link, and then they make their own copy and change their own share settings. So that's making that Google Doc, and then we can all start typing stuff. I'm going to hit pause.